Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you the Samsung Wave S8500. Released in 2010, that was one of the first smartphones that came with AMOLED display. It doesn't work with Android, it has bad operative system released by Samsung, really similar to Android but with different market. Now let's take a look. The phone works at GSM up to 3G bands. It works quad band at 2G and dual band at 3G, depending on market, different dual bands. It has 3.3 inches Super AMOLED display, really amazing for its time with the high contrast. It has the proximity sensor and video call camera, also an accelerometer for apps or operative system. There we have three buttons: Start Call button, Home button and End Call button. Also it's used for turn on and off. Here we found the microphone hole. At the left side we found the volume buttons. At the top we found the speaker hole, the jack 3.5mm audio output for our headsets or headphones, and a micro USB port for charging it or transfer data. At the right side, the lock unlock button and the camera button with autofocus. At the back we found the Samsung logo, a 5-megapixel camera that records video up to 720p, so HD video, and an LED flash. I really like its design for its time, 2010. Please comment below what do you think about it. And now let's turn it on. The phone runs a chipset Hummingbird at 1 GHz 1 core and has an internal memory of 390 megabytes, but also you can put a micro SD card up to 32 GB. It has a battery of 1500 mAh. This is how it looks, the main screen, really similar to Android smartphones. As you can see, you can find different pages, there is a notepad, and here you can put your own widgets. And it also includes other widgets, as you can see, the weather, the time, and you can put analog clock and a calendar, for example. There you can see. At different pages you will find different widgets. Here's a bigger calendar and a quick toolbar for quick searches at internet. You also can disable it. Contacts you can add, other weather widget with a clock, and a breaking news widget, as you can see. Really cool for its time because it doesn't run Android. As you saw, it runs bad operative system. It's sad that the phone doesn't run anymore any apps due to the Samsung App Store. It doesn't work anymore. So as you can see, this is the main menu, really similar to Android. It has call register, internet browser, navigator, email, music player, Samsung mobile navigator, gallery, camera, calendar. You also can install Java games, different widgets like clock, settings, some social network apps like Windows Messenger that doesn't work anymore, Yahoo Messenger, Samsung Talk, Notes to do things, File Explorer, Google, YouTube, video player, radio FM, calculator, voice recorder, voice commands. And that was all about the phone. And now I'm gonna show you your favorite section, the ringtones. Let's take a look. As you can see, the phone has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 3.0 like most Android phones. Let's take a look now at the message tones or alert tones. So please like and subscribe for more stuff like this. Now finally I want to show you the camera, how it looks. So here at the camera, as you can see, it's the same like other Samsung smartphones with Android, the same app, and with the camera button you can focusing your photo before taking it, and this phone can make really good macro photos. As you can see, really good macro photos, 5 megapixel photos. It also has a bit of zoom and also can record video up to HD 30 frames per second. And now let's take a look at the wallpapers, for example, the cell phone include. You can put different wallpaper at the background and different at the lock screen. I will show you the lock screen at last. This is the turn on off button and here's the lock screen. As you can see, here's my lock screen, and you can configure the side of the clock, where to put it, and to unlock only swipe up or whatever you want and it unlocks. So that was all about this Samsung Galaxy Wave. In another thing that this bad operative system is really similar to Android is the settings. There you can find the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity, sound, and rotating the screen, and notifications also. So that's the similitude with the Android operative system. So that was all. Please like and subscribe for more stuff like this. Thank you a lot guys for your support to my channel, and see you soon in my next videos. Bye bye.